Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to verify your account on the Bitfinex exchange. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we created our account on this exchange and now we intend to verify it. To do this, go to the profile section and enter the verification area. On this page, as you can see, 2 account verification plans are available to you. You can verify your account under the Basic Plus and Intermediate sections. Each section requires different documents, which you can view by clicking on this option. Alright, we'll start with the Basic Plus section. As you can see, in this section, you need to provide an official photo ID, a biometric photo or selfie, your phone number, and your address. Then click on Continue. On the next page, you need to enter the country that issued your document and the type of document you intend to use. For this section, you can use documents such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license to verify your account. Select your desired document and after agreeing to have your documents reviewed, click on Scan Document. On the next page, a QR code will be displayed to you. You will be asked to scan this QR code with your mobile phone. After scanning the QR code with your phone, you will need to scan your ID card using your phone's camera. First, you take a photo of the front of your ID card, and then you take a picture of the back of the ID card. In the next step, you will also need to take a photo of your face. You take this photo using your phone's camera. After you have scanned the front and back of your ID card on your phone and taken a selfie, you will be asked to enter some of your personal information, such as your name and date of birth, and then you will need to wait for your documents to be verified. And as you can see, after a few minutes, our verification in the Basic Plus mode will be successfully completed. Now the access levels we have are displayed here. And to upgrade the account for more access, we have 2 options. Upgrade to Intermediate and upgrade to Full Verification. In the Full Verification mode, you need to upload the required documents shown. In the next step, you need to upload another one of your identification documents. You can choose between a passport or a driver's license. And after agreeing to the document review, click on Scan Document. Next, you will again need to scan the displayed QR code and continue the process on your mobile phone. Now, on your mobile phone, once you have logged into your account and uploaded the image of the next document, such as your passport or driver's license, the information from this document will be displayed to you on this page. If any edits are needed, you can make them in this section and then click on Continue. On the next page, you will again need to enter your information as it appears on the uploaded document. Next, you will once again enter your last name, first name, date of birth, nationality, and gender. And in the next step, you will be asked to enter your mobile phone number along with the country code here. In the 5th step, you need to enter your residential address. Here you will enter your country, city, and exact address. And to verify your personal address, you need to upload one of the displayed documents. These documents can include various bills, a mobile phone bill, a bank statement, or other documents. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Upload your address verification document either by uploading a file or by taking a photo. After uploading the document, you need to enter the date of this statement here and proceed to the next step. You will be asked which language the uploaded document is in. Select the language of the document in this section. And in step 6, you need to enter your banking information here. On the next page, enter the account holder's name, the bank's name, the country of the bank, the branch name, and the account number. And you will also need to upload a document to verify this account. In the next step, you need to upload a document so that the mentioned bank account can also be verified. After uploading the statement, you also enter the date of this bank statement and proceed to the next step. In the following step, you need to enter your employment status. In the first section, you enter the length of time you have been working in this job. You will also be asked about the industry of your job and to provide further details. Additionally, you enter the information related to your workplace address. On the next page, you answer the question about what your source of income is. Next, you answer questions regarding your net worth and the amount you expect to invest. On the next page, based on your own experience and knowledge regarding trading, you answer these questions and enter the amount you expect to trade or transfer in a month here. On the following page, you agree to the terms of this KYC and upload your documents. And as you can see, your documents and information have been successfully submitted. You need to wait until your documents are successfully reviewed. We return to the Bitfinex Exchange desktop page. And as you can see, after one business day, our account has been fully verified. Now you can access all sections of the website. Stay with us for a tutorial on deposits and withdrawals in this exchange. Goodbye.